Hello children, how are you? Fine, very good. Stay home, stay safe. I welcome you to the 6th standard English class. Today our lesson is Sea Turtles. This lesson is written by Sege Tetatri. In previous class, you learned section 1 and 2. In the time, they explain about author of the lesson. What did you learn in the section 1 and 2? There are 7 species of sea turtles in the world. Among them, we found only 5 in the coastal areas. There, Hollywood Ridley is the Olive Ridley is the smallest one. That weight is 35 kilogram. The leatherback is the longest one that has much as 700 kg, 700 kilogram of weight. So Olive Ridley is the smallest one, that is 35 kg. Leatherback is the longest one, that is 700 kg. See, these sea turtles live their lifetime in the water, but they come ashore to lay their eggs. But they came ashore to lay their eggs. Between the January and March, they came ashore to lay the eggs. The Olive Ridley come ashore at night to lay their eggs. They make a cavity to lay their eggs. Each turtle lay more than 100 eggs. Each turtles lay more than 100 eggs. After that, they went to the sea. They let the eggs hatchling for the warm to the sun. 45 to 60 days later, the eggs become hatchling. After 45 to 60 days later, the eggs become hatchling. This is the information from the section 1 and 2. Let us see the section 3. In that section 3, we want to see some glossary. In section 3, we want to see some the glossary. Survive, continue to live. Survive, continue to live. Mysteries, facts that are difficult to understand. Mysteries, facts that are difficult to understand. Fascinating, attracting greatly. Fascinating, attracting greatly. Decade, a period of 10 years. Decade, a period of 10 years. Hatchling, to come out of an egg. Hatchling, to come out of an egg. The eggs hatch the young ones, that is, weight is less than 20 grams each. The tiny hatchling, which weight is 20 grams each. They will not even reach the sea. They will fall prey for crops and birds. They will fall prey for crops and birds before they reach the ocean. Say some hatchlings escaped from these predators, they reach the ocean. But there also they faced many problems. Many predators eat the hatchlings in the water first few days in their lifetime. So scientists estimate that out of 1,000, one is the hatchling became an adult. So scientists estimate out of 1,000, one hatchling became an adult. That's why the sea turtles, to have enough species, they lay so many eggs. So sea turtles lay so many eggs. This hatchling swim in the open water for many years. When they became an adult, they return back to the same beach where they born. Why? Because they want to lay their eggs. Each sea turtle lay their eggs where they born. See, this is one of the mysteries about fascinating turtles. It is most wonderful how they manage to identify the place after long years to swim in the water. Sea turtles, among many wonderful creatures we share the planet with. The turtles faced many problems. They have survived natural dangers for millions of years. But sadly, human activities during last few decades have put them grave danger. They are faced many problems, threaten their survival. People also hunt. People hunt them for meat and they collecting the eggs. People hunt them for meat and they are collecting their eggs. Sometimes they are accidentally trapped in the motorboats. Some constructing activities also done in the coastal areas that also hurt their survival. Or nesting beaches. So non-systematically they face many problems. Only by systematically tackling these problems and removing these threats can we ensure that sea turtles will continue to exist in the years to come. So, sea turtles face many problems because of the pollution, dumping waste into the ocean, construction activities, nesting the beaches. These are the threaten their survival. What are they? Pollution, then dumping waste into the ocean, construction activities, then nest of beaching. These are the activities that threaten their survival. Shall we see some synonyms and antonyms now? Synonyms. Synonyms means meanings. Prey, victim. Prey, victim. Estimate, calculate. Estimate, calculate. Grave, serious. Grave, serious. Threaten, endanger. Threaten, endanger. Dumping, heaping. Dumping, heaping. Construction, building. Construction, building, tackling, solving, tackling, solving, hurt, harm or injure, hurt, harm or injure, exist, live, exist, live, trapped, caught, trap, caught. Now we want to see the antonyms. Antonyms opposites. Adult, baby. Adult, what is the opposite for adult? Baby. Same, different. Same, different. Wonderful, ordinary. Wonderful, ordinary. Natural, artificial. Natural, artificial. Sadly, gladly. Sadly, gladly. Pollution, purify. Pollution, purify. Systematically, irregularly. Systematically, irregularly. Threats, promises. Threats, promises. Continue, discontinue. Continue, discontinue. Accidentally, intentionally. Accidentally, intentionally. Okay, goodies. I hope you understand this lesson. From this lesson, I say given to you some meanings and opposites. Let us discuss some source and answers now. See here, answer the following questions. What are the dangers that avoid the hatchling of sea turtles? What are the dangers that avoid the hatchling of sea turtles? Many hatchlings fall prey to crops or birds. Many hatchlings fall prey to crops or birds. Most of them that reach the water are eaten by predators. Most of them that reach the water are eaten by predators. Second one, what is the survivability of sea turtles? Most scientists estimate that only 1 in every 1,000 hatchlings becomes an adult. Most scientists estimate that only 1 in every 1,000 hatchlings becomes an adult. Where do the female sea turtles lay their eggs? Female turtles return to the same beach where they were born to lay their eggs. See, this is the hatchling. This weight is 20 grams. What are the problems faced by sea turtles? Pollution, predators, human activities, then dumping waste into the ocean. Pollution, predators, human activities. How can we protect the sea turtles? By reducing environmental pollution. By prohibit hunting of sea turtles by humans. For what purpose we are hunting? We are hunting for meat and they are collecting the eggs. Shall we see paragraph now? What are the threats to the survival of sea turtle? What are the threats to the survival of sea turtles? People hunt the sea turtles for meat. They also collect their eggs. Sometimes the turtles are trapped in the nests of motorboats. Pollution of dumping of plastic into the ocean threaten their survival. Construction activities on nesting sites pose the threat to the survival of the sea turtles. Okay children, I hope now you understand what is in section 1, section 2 and section 3. We given some meanings opposites to you, then question answers paragraphs. You want to recall it, read it well, prepare well. Thank you children.